How you guys doing? My name is Chris Whitman with MarineMax Maryland. Today we're going to showcase this recent trade-in 2021 Sea Ray 250 SLX. Whether you are pulling a skier or a tube that you inflated with your onboard air compressor, you're just hanging out back here on the lounge, this boat is going to change your summer. So come aboard. As we walk through the transom, we've got a nice open area to move into. I figured you might bring more people, so I put the table out. That way everybody's got room to sit around and they can put their cups down. Not that there's a lack of cup holders, trust me. So nice cockpit area here. We've got cooler storage underneath. I've got plenty of storage for everything in the deck. I've got matching captain and co-captain chairs, both of them with adjustable bolsters. Fantastic helm area. Dual touch screen Simrads. All of my trim tabs, anchor control, everything is right here. If you need to use the restroom, it's right here. Don't want you to feel like you got to hop in the water if you don't want to. This is a vacuum flush head. So we're going to be out on the water as long as you guys are comfortable. So if I want to get out in the more sun or there's more people here, we've got extra room up here. Beautiful seating area. There is a filler cushion for this area right here, so we can turn this into a sun pad, or we can just lounge back on either side. Don't take my word for it. Why don't you come on in and check it out? My name's Chris Whitman with MarineMax Maryland. Give me a call.